because you were talking about beta clients earlier. And so, so for me, I'm busy enough right now. Like, I feel like I don't have the room to have a beta client. Like, I'm making decent money, always could make more, but I'm busy enough right now that I'm having to hire guys to keep up with the work, and I'm busy. So how do you work that out? Like, how do you make the time to have a beta client?
Let me ask you a question. How important is the next level for you? Because that answer is in whether or not you got a beta client. You don't want to guess what it's going to take to get to the next level, because you're going to waste a lot of time and money. If you understand exactly what it takes to get to the next level by understanding the needs of your clients before they can even say them, like, that's what's going to take you to the next level. Even sometimes you may have to sacrifice work and say, okay, it's a job I can't accept. I got to go learn this. There's been plenty of times where I felt like I made more money educating myself in the 3 hours than go shoot for somebody for $300. But that's the difference between working on your business and working in your business. Being busy with business shouldn't affect you taking it to the next level. And you may have to make a little bit less profit to have the time to go and learn what it takes to go to the next level. But it has to happen, or you will be right where you at forever. And you'll feel like, if I just keep working, I'll get out the level, and it don't work like that. Once you uncover the needs of your clients, you're not going to work as hard. I have freedom. Like, I'm chilling. I'm sleeping in most days. I built my life so I don't have to work as hard. Kudo Beat says, do you offer them a price reduction to shoot video testimonial? I don't, because the best clients want to sell for you anyway. The best clients want to talk about how great of a time it was, how great it was working with you. I don't offer a discount, not at all. And clients beg me to shoot them. If I mention it, they're like, sure. I try to grab testimonials while I'm on set and get all the cameras and lighting stuff set up, because they're having fun and feeling like a star. I try to grab what it's like to work with us, and then I go back for a update. So talking about what the product has done for them. But those are two different testimonials on two different parts of my website. You know what I'm saying? One is on talking about what it's like working with us. It may be in a section of talking about what's going to happen, our itinerary. And then one is to close the deal. One is right before pricing. We paid a great amount. They weren't the cheapest, but we were able to get results beyond, what we thought. It was more of an investment, yada, yada, yada. I'll have them speak to that. So those are some things that I have different testimonials for different parts of the sale and different clients. Keep that in mind. Good question here was, what 3 major things do you look for in a website or portfolio video? And do you need to be a member to get a site review? Well, we just opened up the review section in the community so that you can post, and then other members can give their input, as well as me come in and give my input, because we're going to try to do it like that. 3 major things. You need to have a mission statement. You need to be clear on what you offer, who you offer it for, and you need to provide proof. Those are 3 things that needs to punch people in the throat throughout your website and your portfolio. What do you do? Who is it for? What problems do you solve? Those are things that you got to get up front. I don't need to be digging for that. Value proposition, I need to know all of that up front. It shouldn't be me trying to decide, what did this company even do? Attention photographers and filmmakers. You've been conditioned by your favorite YouTuber to think that blowing money on gear and a crappy portfolio site will bring you business. And that is complete BS. My name is Ty. I'm a former Army combat photographer and the owner of a small production company that has worked with these big clients in the past. I created Flash Film Academy, an online platform designed to teach you the business side of the industry, focusing on helping you develop a consistent 6-figure business designed to help you go from your current 9-to-5 to doing what you love to do for a living with the gear you already have. We teach you everything from how to even start a business. What should I name my company? What should my colors be? To where to find a consistent flow of high-end clients that are ready to buy now. Click the link below. Let's get started. Sunhorse Film says, getting into real estate. I have 3 competitors in my niche, my area. What's the best way to navigate that? They don't have drastically better content. One way to navigate it is with understanding exactly what pain points you can deliver on, and then deliver on those pain points better than your competitors, deliver more value than your competitors, and then you could add a little quality into it. But quality is not what makes them better in most cases. It's usually they offer the right thing at the right time to the right client. What would happen if I started off charging $1,000, then in a few years, the quality became $5,000? There's no such thing as recovering from being a cheap guy. Whatever you start up as, you're going to finish as. You can't be Kia and then decide you want to make Rolls Royce style cars and you want to charge $500,000. Nobody will ever pay that amount for a Kia. They'll have a better chance coming out with a whole different brand, maybe calling it Genesis or something, to sell a higher end car. See, the thing is this, quality won't bring you more money. I don't care if you go from, a DSLR to an Alexa, quality won't change your money, won't change what you can charge. There's no such thing. What you offer as a company, your ability to solve problems and understand what your client needs is what will make you more valuable. You can do that now with the camera and gear that you currently have if you understand how to build your business. A big thing too is I talk a lot about in module 1, when you get a beta client, they're going to tell you the amount of money companies spend. So you'll know if you're in the niche and they telling you like, look, we only spend $20,000 a year on marketing. You can't expect to get all of that from every client all the time. You can't expect to do $50,000 videos in that niche. But if you understand what their problem are and what they have to spend, then you can maximize the dollar amount you get by solving their problems within a budget they have already presented to you. Or you may say, this niche ain't for me. They don't got money to spend. I'm not going to go make videos for barbers because barbers don't want to spend more than a couple $100s for a video. However, a dentist has $30, $40, $50, $60, $200,000 a year to spend in content and marketing. So I may create a video for a dentist. The quality wouldn't change from barber to dentist. In fact, it'll probably go more boring for the dentist side because they don't need all them cats flipping and doing all of that. They need somebody sitting there with a shallow background talking. So when you have the client or the beta client that can set you up for success, these questions will be answered by the person that is your actual client and not your mom and them who want to see you do good, but they're not the person that makes the decisions. Your beta client is your best friend if you do it right. Mr. B, how would you price subscription client where the workload requires changes month to month? It's funny you say that because I got to do this. I talk about that big time here. Module 3 talks about subscriptions. Subscription prices change. It depends. In that module, I give you multiple steps as to how to do it based on credits, based on time. And depending on your client, you need to know whether or not you need to go with a credit system where they get a certain amount of credits per month that they can use how they want to use them, or it's a hourly thing. Hey, keep in mind that the video you just watched contains clips from a longer lecture that's available to our gold members at flashfilmacademy.com. You can go to flashfilmacademy.com to watch the complete lectures if you want to get all the gems and all the information, or you can stay on the channel and continue watching some of our content here. Just click one of those boxes somewhere around here. You know where to go. Right up in here, somewhere, wherever it pops up, you know what to do. You got this.